Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be fishing at the creek, and we got our little micro fishing rods. And yep, it's like 60 degrees right now. We're gonna be using worms, and we're gonna be fishing for creek chubs and whatever else is down there. So let's get to fishing. I don't know. Oh, I just gotta hit it. Oh! Oh my god, that's a big one. Holy crap. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is a big one. That's a big one. Look at that. You guys spikes on it?
Come on, Grandpa.
There we go. We got another. That's not what was hitting.
Oh, that's a fat one.
Yeah, that one's big.
Holy, that thing is pregnant, probably. Or something.
Yeah.
Look at all the dirt coming out of there now. It's like the fish are spooks.
Go. Three more.
That's fighting us the whole time. That little baby thing.
There we go. We got another one. It stole my worm. Oh wait, no, it didn't. It can have it though. That will be the end of our video. And we caught 3 fish in total. I caught all of them. Chase caught none. Yeah, we had a ton of bites, but I caught 3. The first one is really big. Second one was like really like fat or pregnant, I don't know. And then the third one was just like normal size. But maybe they'll spawn or something. We'll get some more of them. But anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Later.